Hello everyone, good evening. Welcome to 9th and 10th channel of BYJU'S. I'm your teacher Ankita and I welcome you all in today's class everyone. I hope that all of you are doing great and I welcome you once again in the very interesting class where we will be starting our ANTHE preparation everyone. I hope that all of you are ready. Yes everyone, good evening everyone. How are you all? How are you all? Awesome everyone, awesome. I can see so many of you have joined everyone. I hope that your energy is really very high. किसी के एग्जाम तो नहीं चल रहे हैं? Yes everyone. 1 minute everyone, 1 minute. Yes everyone, so here we are. Good evening. Tomorrow is science exam. Priya, all the best. Bache, all the best. Yes, I will be telling you about the percentage. बस मैं आ गई यहीं पे थी. I will. Nasreen, all the best everyone. All the best. All the best for your science exam. Yes. Yeah. Yes everyone. Okay, चलिए. So everyone, today is a very interesting class, right? We have very interesting questions, difficult questions from the chapter Fundamental Unit of Life and the Tissues. So I hope that all of you are ready. Yes. So it's all the biology syllabus discussion for the ANTHE examination. First tell me how many of you have registered for the ANTHE examination? Jaldi se bataiye. How many of you have registered for your ANTHE examination? Okay. Gaurav, Divyanshi, all the best for your examination. Okay, very good, very good, very good. You can. Yes, very good. Those of you who haven't registered, everyone, please make sure you register for the ANTHE examination, right? The online examination date is from 7th and to 15th of October. And for the offline mode of examination, we have the date from 8th to 15th October. So of course you can give both the online and the offline, you have the online mode if you want to prefer the online mode. You can sit at your home and then of course you can give the exam. The duration will be for 1 hour. Yes. I can see many of you are excited about the ANTHE examination. That's very good everyone. So it's a very simple process. Please go on the ANTHE website. There are the steps, really very easy steps. You have to write your phone number, right? You have to give the details. Then the OTP will come. You have to fill the form and you are sorted. Yes, and we are here everyone, we are here and of course we will be preparing you guys. Chaliye. Okay, so everyone this is important, see over here the important dates, the exam dates and online and offline mode of examination. It's from 7th grade to the 12th grade. So please do tell your other friends also, your siblings also. Yes, we don't have mentee today, but of course we have interesting class everyone. Yes, chaliye. So everyone, if you look at the syllabus of the ANTHE, we have two very important chapters, right? We have first chapter which is a cell, the fundamental unit of life, our own very special cell, and then of course we have the next chapter which is tissues. So we have these two chapters, the fundamental unit of life and tissues. Okay, so this is very interesting everyone. Yes, ma'am, if I have given ANTHE examination in class 9 and if I have done again, yeah, you can give it for class 10th again. Yes, Rahul, that's not an issue. Yes. Okay, chaliye. Yes, you will be getting the notes on the Telegram. So everyone, please make sure to download the Telegram and of course we'll pin it also in the comment section below. Okay, everyone, quick thumbs up now. We are starting everyone. I'll not be taking much of your time because I understand many of you have your exams tomorrow. So I'll not be taking much of your time everyone. Quickly give me a thumbs up and we will get started. Thumbs up everyone and please make sure you hit the like button for the video. Yes. Everyone, thumbs up in the chat and please make sure you hit the like button also. Jaldi se. We will try to finish our session by 6:15, right? Let's start, right? Let's get started. So everyone, here we have the different subtopics that we have in the chapter, the cell, the unit of life, the fundamental unit of life. We have cell wall, cell membrane, nucleus, cytoplasm, cell organelles. We have cell wall, cell cycle, sorry. In that we have mitosis and meiosis. Then of course, in the tissues chapter, we have plant tissues, meristematic tissues, and the permanent tissue. In the animal tissue, we have epithelial, connective, nervous, protective, and the muscular tissues. So everyone, we have the question based upon these, so let's get started. Now these questions are definitely a little bit of the higher level, right? So I want all of you to be very attentive and all of you to be very quick. Yes, we will let you know, Divyanshi, when we will be having our next mentee. Yes, Charlie everyone, I want full of your energy and let's get started. The muscle fiber, everyone, let's read the question. Zeba will be starting after the ANTHE examination preparation, the new chapter, okay? Yes, chaliye. The muscle fiber present in the stomach is responsible for. First, it's a very easy question, right? Important thing over here, everyone. Which type of muscle is present in the stomach and what is it responsible for? Circulating blood to the whole body, rhythmic contraction, relaxation of heart, voluntary movement in the body, or movement of food in the alimentary canal. Easy peasy this is, right? We know that in stomach there is no circulating of the blood. Circulation happens with the help of heart. So these two options A and B are definitely cancel it out. Then we have option number C, which talks about the voluntary movement in the body. Voluntary movement happens with our control, and over here they have mentioned about the stomach. I cannot control the muscles of my stomach. So definitely it's not this, and of course the correct option over here is option number D. So the muscular tissue of the stomach helps in the movement of the food in the alimentary canal. Very good everyone. Option number D is the correct answer. Yes, I know that you want polls everyone, but unfortunately it's not possible as of now. Right, over here in the system it's not possible, so yeah. Yes, I really want to do that. Unfortunately kids, I can't do it today. It's not in my hand. The support is not there. Okay, chaliye. Here we go everyone to the next question. Next question everyone. Which among the following plant tissue does not contain a nucleus? It's a very easy question, right everyone? Yes. Jashobin Tata, KU, Rahman. I'll tell you, bache. Definitely not a pro. Okay, Leja, Harpreet, Priya, Soni, Gurleen, Devyanshi, Vibhuti, Shreya, Zeba, Shivya, Neha, Tapasya, Harpreet, Real Abhimanyu. Good everyone. I can see a long list of the correct answer. We're talking about the plant tissue, right? And which does not contain the nucleus. So what tissue, right, or a cell which is dead will not have the nucleus, right? We know that parenchyma, collenchyma, and erenchyma are definitely living. So we are only left with the option which is sclerenchyma, right? So they are made up of the dead cells. They don't have a nucleus, and of course they have thick lignified walls. See over here, they have a thick lignified walls. Yes, everyone. So we know lignin, right? You remember lignin? Very strong chemical substance, right? Which actually wraps around over here. Cemented substance. Chaliye. Very good. Awesome, awesome everyone. Da, 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 da. Option number C is the correct answer. Yes, let's move ahead everyone to the question number 3 on the screen. The solution is said to be hypertonic solution if. Focus over here everyone. What are we discussing over here? Yes, very good. The solution is said to be hypertonic solution if the solution has low water concentration than the cell, the solution has same water concentration as the cell, the solution has higher water concentration than the cell, or the solution has lower solute concentration than the cell. I can see the fight happening between two options, but we know the majority of the options are absolutely correct. So everyone, we know that we have two important types. Like we have three, if we have to compare. We have hypotonic, we have hypertonic, and we have isotonic, right? In hypertonic, what happened? The cell swells up. We know that the cell swells up. What happened in the hypertonic? The cell shrink. And what happens in the isotonic? It remains the same. The exchange is happening equally. So this is definitely not the case. So we can check out the option number B. Yes. Now what are we left with? We know that one more important thing. We have solute. What is solute, everyone? Like salt or like sugar that we are adding into the solvent. Where we are adding? We are adding it into the solvent, and in this case, what is a solvent? What is the solvent that we are talking about over here? We always say water is a solvent, right? Because in the water we are adding something. Very good, Bani. Yes, very good, Manohar. Yes, Faiza. Yes, Shiva. Right? Yes, Team 7, I remember you. Yes, Ravi. Yes, Simon. Right? So, we know that the concentration, especially in the hypertonic solution, we know that the solution has lower water concentration than of the cell. Very good, everyone. And that is the correct answer over here. Easy peasy. Warm welcome, Ujjwal, to the class. Very good, Neha, Divyanshi, Gurleet. Yes. Yeah, there are a lot of Naruto fans in the class. Yes, Sidhu. Food resources is not there, bache, in the ANTHE examination. Okay? Yes, importance of the food resources is not coming. Okay, chaliye. Next question, everyone, on your screen. Which of the following statement is true regarding the Harvatian Canal? Now, I want you to go back. Yes, I'll make the laddus. This question, I'll give you the laddus also. Yes. Okay, I can see there are few doubts about the ANTHE examination. What is ANTHE examination? ANTHE examination, let me just quickly go back, right? Everyone, ANTHE examination is the Akash National Talent Hunt examination that happens every year, where this test will give you an opportunity to understand where your mind is bending towards, right? This exam will be giving you a detailed analysis of how your mind thinks, right? And it will be helping you to pick up the stream that you want to pick up in the future. Basically, it's a very important step in all of the students' life. So everyone, please make sure you register yourself. The registration for the online examination is absolutely free, right? There's an examination of 1 hour. You will have very interesting question, MCQs question that will be testing you. Okay, chaliye. So I hope that those of you have doubt, now you're clear with this. Okay, we'll go back over here. Okay, very good. I can see the correct answer, everyone. Yes, so we know that, right, Harvatian Canal. It's present, of course, in the bones, and of course, they have the blood vessels and the nerves, right? See over here what we have the osteon, right? Of course, it's basically a part of the cell, part of the bone, where of course we have all the canals, right? We have the cells also. Yes, very good, everyone. So the correct answer over here is option number D. Yes, you can give, Jaiprakash, you can give the examination. Very good, everyone. Chaliye, I'll make the laddus for all of us. Yes, laddus. Sidhu, it's okay, bache. You can watch the animal tissue session on our channel. We have the videos on our channel. That will be helping you. Okay, Amit. It's okay, bache. All the best for that. Moving to question number 5, everyone. This is easy peasy. Chromosomes are composed of what? Easy question. Yes, everyone. Easy peasy question. Jaldi say. Right? Chromosomes are composed of what? I'll make Ghevar also, Shiva. RNA or lipids, proteins or DNA, RNA and DNA, or lipids and DNA. We're talking about the chromosome. So we all remember that chromosome is such a beautiful structure, the coil structure that we have, right? Of course, we have a better diagram over here, right? So chromosome is definitely, we can see the chromosome in a cell only during the cell division. That's a structure that we can see during the cell division. But once the cell division is done, what we will see that it will be tangled, right? Of course, in a thread-like structures that, of course, are made up of proteins and DNA. DNA will wrap around, right, the proteins that are there. So what DNA will do? It has to shrink, it has to pack, right? So it will take the help of the proteins. Proteins are there. We call them as histone proteins. Which proteins we have? We have the histone proteins, and on these histone proteins, DNA will wrap itself. So we have the proteins and the DNA. Ta-da! So option B is the correct answer. Everyone, here's a Ghevar for all of us. Yeah, I can add some pistas also. Okay, this color will not do. We'll use a red color. Yeah, some kaju, some badam. Shivyank, yes. Shivank, Got your name. Chaliye. Very good. Okay, next question everyone on your screen. We have question number 6. Chips next time. Okay, got it. The function of X. The function of X is to release energy in a form of adenosine triphosphate. That is nothing but ATP. Here X is what? I can see the answers already. Very good everyone. This is leucoplast, ribosomes, mitochondrion or the Golgi apparatus. The function of X is to release the energy in a form of ATP, adenosine triphosphate, and that is the mitochondria. We also call the mitochondria the powerhouse of the cell, right? Various of serious reactions happens over here. Series reactions happens, and then of course we see the formation of ATP. Now mitochondria is also called as a semi-autonomous organelle. Why? Because it has its own DNA and it can make its own protein because it has ribosomes also. And ribosomes plays a very important role in the manufacturing or the production of proteins. Yes everyone, are we clear? Thank you so much Ayushi, thank you. We have mastered this chapter, right? I'm very proud of you everyone. Chaliye. Question number 7 on your screen. Acha haan. Well, let me just draw the nachos and the chips. Okay, my drawing. Okay, we should have a white plate. Yeah, we are eating in a fancy restaurant. Restaurant where Ankita ma'am is serving you food. Yeah, that's those plates. We have actually, for the nachos, we can have the bowl. Right? See, my drawing is not that great. But yeah, I'm trying it for you guys. Right? Yeah, it's triangle. I should probably use it. Yes. Yeah, some marks, some cheesy flavor. Yes, everyone. And of course, we have the salsa dip. Okay, chaliye. Thank you so much, Google account. Thank you so much. I'm from Rajasthan. Chaliye, everyone. This is sorted. Moving to the next question. Next question, everyone. Question number 7. Rough endoplasmic reticulum remains in connection with the. Rough endoplasmic reticulum remains in connection with which of these organelles? Lysosomes, nucleus, Golgi bodies, and mitochondria. Shrishti, bache, kitchen of the cell or kitchen of the cell, we usually call it the plastid, especially the chloroplast. Very good, very good. There was one more question. Next time, jalebi and gulab jamun. Done. Done. Very good, everyone. And the correct answer over here is the. Wait, everyone, read the question carefully. Read the question carefully. Rough endoplasmic reticulum remains connection with. If I draw it, I'm sure you'll be able to find it. Right? Everyone, I hope that you have guessed now. Yes or no? Yes? Very good, very good. See, yeah, this is not exactly how it looks in reality, but yeah, this is the nucleus. Right, we have thread-like particles and just close to it, right? Very close to it, what we have? We have the nucleus. So the ER is always remain in the connection with the nucleus, right? Not with the Golgi bodies. Golgi bodies will be still a little bit far off. They're not connected. Okay, everyone? But the nucleus and the ER, right over here, especially the rough ER, right? They are in very close connection with it. Yes, everyone clear? Imad, Ria, Bani, yes, very good Bani, very good. Fahash, it's okay. Fasha, it's okay. Yes, very good Aditya. Yes, Simran. Gulab Jamun. Now it's time for us to have the Gulab Jamuns because we got the correct answer. Very good, everyone. So again, we'll have a green bowl, right? And we'll have Gulab Jamun. Okay, everyone. Chaliye. Tada, presenting you the Gulab Jamun. Next question, everyone. Question number 8 on our screen. Chaliye. Question number 8, everyone. we have to identify X and the Y. Over here we have X and over here we have the Y. Look at the structure. Everyone look at the structure and then try to identify what is X. Over here we have the options. Is it vessel, sieve tube, tracheids or tracheids? And the Y, the options are, is it xylem parenchyma, companion cells, vessels and the companion cells? I can see the correct answer, everyone. Yes, there's one thing that we all know, that of course we're talking about this and they are basically, right, very, very important in terms of the conduction of water and minerals. So everyone, what we have tracheids and then we have the vessels. So this one is tracheid, the narrow one, right? And over here the Y one is the vessel. So let me write over here. So vessels and tracheids are present in xylem, right? So tracheids are not that advanced, but they help in the conduction of water in the lower plants, whereas the vessels, this, right, they are broader in structure, right, and they help in the conduction of water in the angiosperm, the modern plants that we have. Okay, so these are the tracheids and the vessels. So very good, everyone, very good. Yes, we have C. Bache, Neha, D and C are same. No. See over here we have tracheids and companion cells. Companion cells are present in the phloem. Yes, these are the objective questions, everyone. Yes, Shaurya. Yes, Kinjal. Nikhil, very good. Yes, Simon. Okay, all of you, are we clear? Companion cells are present in the phloem. Okay, chaliye. We will provide you, bache. Yes, Abhimanyu will provide you, bache. Yes. Okay, chaliye. Next question, everyone, on your screen, question number 9. Sieve tubes of phloem tissue. Right? Pick, everyone. Now read the question correctly. Sieve tubes of phloem tissue have what? Pick the correct options. Pick the correct option again. I'm specifying over here because it's important. Please do read the options carefully. Have tubular structure with dead cells. Allow transportation of food. Have proliferated walls with the living cells. Help in the transportation of water. So we can clearly cut two important things that are related to water. We can definitely cut the transportation of water wala part because phloem have no role there. Right? Sieve tubes, do they have dead cells? No, we know that they don't have dead cells. They're made up of the living cells. So option number A is absolutely incorrect. Very good, everyone. So what are we left with? The correct options that we have. First, of course, it helps in the transportation of food. And second option, that they have the walls which have pores and with the living cells. So here, everyone, we have this question, right? And this is the extra information we have. See over here, we have the sieve tubes. They have these purification. Basically, they have those pores. Right? Yes. Nisha, Bache, there's so much time left and you have done a lot of the chapters. So don't worry. Right? Be regular to the classes. Right? And don't worry, we are here with you. Right? Keep on studying. That's the one thing we all students can do. Okay? Chali, everyone. Very good. Yes, everyone, you noted your point, Bache. So option number B and option number C are correct. And everyone, can I tell you, these are the questions you will find in the ANTHE examination. We have a mix of the ANTHE examination, the Olympiad, the very difficult, hot questions. But in ANTHE examination, they might give you a question with the multiple options. Okay? Gulab Singh, phloem is a type of is a part. We have vascular tissues, right? In vascular tissues, we have two. We have xylem, which help in the conduction of water. मिट्टी से पानी को लेके पूरे प्लांट में कौन दे रहा है? Xylem. Phloem is playing a very important role in the transportation of food. चलिए, very good everyone. हाँ, I have to make jalebi. Yes, चलिए. Okay, I think I'll try making good jalebi. Yes. हाँ, Bani, it will be mentioned, बच्चे. They will mention in the They will be mentioning in the question that please pick the correct options. So this is very important over here. Very good, Aditya. Oh, nice. Very good. Divyanshi, please ask your doubt, bache. Yes, Ayushi. All the best. All the best. You have our wishes. Yes, Prasanna. Hello. Chaliye. Next question. हाँ, we will have physics के लिए भी questions also. Yes, okay, here we have a question on the cell division, everyone. Let's see if we can crack it, this question. Select the incorrect statement. I'm highlighting because I know that sometimes we don't read the question carefully. We have to select the incorrect statement regarding the depict process. So we have this process over here, right? We have to read the statement that I'll show you now. But over here, what we have 46, we have a cell, which of course giving rise to the two cells which have the same 46 number. Let's see what are the statements, everyone. Here what we have. It involves two consecutive division. It occurs in body cells. It helps in the growth and the repair of the tissues in the organism, and option number D. In this process, the daughter cells have the same number of chromosomes as the mother cell. Which of these option is incorrect? Which of these option is incorrect? Everyone, now you read the question. We have seen this is a diagram, right? We have one cell have 46 number of chromosome. The other two also have 46 number of chromosome. I can see option D and option number A. Okay. Which is the incorrect one? I can see, arey bachcho. I think you are reading the question as in the correct statement. Kitno ne padha batao? Those of you are saying D, I'm sure you haven't read the question correctly. क्वेश्चन हमसे ये पूछ रहा है कि इन चार स्टेटमेंट में से कौन सा स्टेटमेंट गलत है इस फिगर के बारे में और इस प्रोसेस के बारे में. प्रोसेस में क्या हो रहा है? वी हैव अ सेल, राइट? प्रोसेस में क्या है बच्चों? वी हैव अ सेल, राइट? इसके पास में कितने क्रोमोसोम्स है? इट हैज अ क्रोमोसोम नंबर 46. देन द एग्जैक्ट नंबर ऑफ क्रोमोसोम्स आर देयर इन द नेक्स्ट डॉटर सेल्स आल्सो, 46, right? That means which process is happening? The type of cell division that is happening is mitosis. In mitosis, the number of chromosomes remain equal, right? It happens in the body cells, and it actually helps in the growth and the repair of the organism. So which of the statement is incorrect? That it involves two consecutive division. This division, two division happens in meiosis, right? I'm sure all of you remember. The two division happens in the meiosis once, where the cell have 46 number of chromosome, right? Will have 46, then it will divide into 23, and then further division will happen, and then we will have sperm or we will have the egg. Are we clear? Right? Are we clear? Give me a thumbs up, everyone. Give me a thumbs up. दिव्यांशी, algae का भी बच्चे cellulose होता है. Different types of cellulose we have, right? Sorry, different types of algae we have. And they all contribute. In fungi, we have the cell wall made up of the chitin. Okay. So we have meiosis 1 and then we have meiosis 2. Clear? We have meiosis 1 and we have meiosis 2. Sperms are the gametes that are made in the male reproductive system. Eggs are made in the female reproductive system. चलिए, yes Mohammed, Simran आप पूछ रहे हैं कि why not? See बच्चे, see over here, we know that mitosis, the cells that are present on our body, right? Over here, will help in the growth and the repair. If we have a cut over here, which cells we have? We have skin cells, and they will divide they will do this division, mitotic division. Okay, they'll make the same copy. Clear? Simran, I hope that it's clear. Very good. Nisha, happy birthday, bache. Mohammed, I have taken your name. Very good, Ria. Tripta, yes, bache. Kya hua? Very good, very good. Okay. Everyone, how's the Josh? बच्चे से डर क्यों गए? Question difficult है क्या? Yes. Very good, very good. चलिए. Next question, everyone. Let's take a look at the next question, which is question number 11. Yes. Gulab Singh आप पूछ रहे why not option number B? Sorry बच्चों, I'm just going back and helping him to understand. Again, ये बच्चों, the mitotic division happens in body cells. Meiosis happens in the only gametes. Okay, that is the reason. See, now we have few questions which are confusing. We started the easy peasy question and now our level is increasing. Chaliye, we'll see this more ahead. Okay, the cell organelle that was discovered by Robert Brown. Biggest hint over here. Jaldi, jaldi. The cell organelle that was discovered by the Robert Brown contains a rod-shaped structure. They have a rod-shaped structure called A, which is composed of B and C. In this question, what is A, what is B, and what is C? In options, we have chromatin material, RNA and protein. Option B is chromosome, DNA and protein. Option C is nucleus, chromosomes and DNA. And option number D is chromatin material, chromosome and DNA. Okay. There is a very important cell organelle which was discovered by Robert Brown. Robert Brown ने क्या discover किया था? Yes. Robert Brown ने क्या discover किया था? Yes. I can see there are few students over here who are just disturbing us. Very good, everyone. Very good. Nucleus. So, Robert Brown discovered the nucleus. And nucleus have a rod-shaped structure. That is a chromosome. Right? And they are made up of DNA and protein. We've just discussed it, so I'm sure all of you know this. Very good, everyone. Very good. So, the correct option over here is chromosome, DNA and protein. This is question number 11. Right? We are at question number 11. We have next question, which is 12. Chaliye, very good, Neha, Vedant, Surya. Yes, very good, very good. Okay, everyone. So, we're done with question number 11. Rajan, kya hua, bachche? Focus in the class. If you want to do this, please leave my class. Right? I'm in a good mood. Please don't just come here and disturb my kids and me. Simple सी बात है. Right? हम पढ़ने के लिए आए, हम पढ़ाई करेंगे. जो भी हमें पढ़ाई में डिस्टर्ब करेगा, हम उसको बोलेंगे कि प्लीज आप क्लास से चले जाइए. सिंपल सी बात है. Right, everyone, let's not make things complicated in our life. है ना? We have the freedom. We have to make the good choices. Yes, Simone, absolutely correct. Very good, bache. It's okay, Rajan. Gulab Singh, bache, I have explained you why the option C is not the correct answer. You can go back and see. Chaliye. Okay, Riya, Gulab Singh, Rajan, Simran. Chaliye. Question number 12, everyone. Hello. Anya, yes. Okay, question number 12, everyone on your screen. Consider the giving organism and select the correct statement regarding it. Okay, look at the structure this. हाँ बच्चे, रॉबर्ट ब्राउन ने तो किया था क्वेश्चन में. रॉबर्ट ब्राउन ही है, शौर्या. मोहम्मद बच्चे, you can take the paper from the website. Which cell we are? Which cell do we have over here? Very good. It's a prokaryotic cell, or many of you think it's a bacterial cell. Absolutely correct. So we have identified this, right? Let's read the statement and then we have to find out the correct statement regarding it. Option number A, it contains membrane-bound cell organelle. Option number B, nuclear region is undefined. Option number C, it has cell wall and cell membrane. And option D, it has nuclear membrane. Again, can I tell you, my pyare bachcho? Right? Do read the question carefully. Consider the giving organism and select the incorrect statements. I can see only one student. Simone. Yes, Simone ने और तानिया ने question को अच्छे से पढ़ा. And then yes. Statements बच्चे, Simone and Tanya. Statements. S आया है. It's not just a single statement. There are statements. Everyone, in the examination, you might have such type of questions. Not just for the ANTHE examination, but for whenever you're going in any examination, it's very important for us to read the question carefully. Right? बच्चों ये बहुत ज़रूरी है ना? We all understand you are the future. You will be going and writing other competitive exams. So let's make a habit in reading the question correctly. And can I tell you, question बहुत easy होते हैं. If you read it carefully ना, you will understand what the question is asking. Very good. Now I have my kids and they're giving the correct answer. So we know that this is a prokaryotic cell or a bacterial cell, right? They do not have the nucleus, right? They don't have the nucleus. So they do not have a nuclear membrane. They definitely will not have a nuclear membrane. They do not contain membrane-bound organelles. First of all, they don't have the organelles except ribosomes, right? And if they have, ribosomes also don't have a membrane. So they do not have any organelle which are cell basically with the membrane. They have a nuclear region which is undefined. Absolutely correct. It has cell wall and cell membrane? Yes, it does. So the correct answer over here is B and the C. Very good, Bani. The genetic material present inside the prokaryotic cells is freely suspended in the cytoplasm, and what we call it as? We call it as the nucleoid. Yes. Harpreet, you will be able to receive the idea. Once you register, you will be able to get the information there. Haan, bachche, Neha, they do have the cell wall. Nuclear region is undefined. See, the genetic material is freely present. There is no outer boundary over here. If you go back and see this part, see, यहाँ पे देखो. Can you see this is a genetic material? Can you see there is a boundary around the genetic material? Elizabeth, we are discussing the question. That's what's happening over here for the ANTHE examination and for the Olympiads. Good, very good. Chaliye. Next question, everyone. Question number 12 is done. Moving to question number 13. Which of the following cell organelle is involved in the formation of lysosomes? Easy peasy. We will have, Simran, we have more classes planned. Shreya, you will get the admit card, bache, once the registration process is done. Within few days, you will have it. And we will also inform you to download the admit card. Yes. Admit card ki tension mat lo, wo aa jayega. Very good, very good. Which of these cell organelles is involved in the formation of lysosomes? Easy. It's Golgi apparatus. It's such an easy question. We have mastered this particular topic, right? So we know that Golgi apparatus will actually help in the formation of the lysosomes. But ER is the one that will be making the proteins, right? Proteins will make the enzymes. So proteins are coming from the ER. But these will be going inside the modification, right? And some changes, storaging in the Golgi apparatus. And then, of course, we'll see the formation of the lysosomes. Very good. Shrishti, bache, you will be learning in your higher classes. There's a whole set of things happen. So we know that ER makes protein and lipids. All of you know this? Raise your hand. Jaldi se. We know that ER plays a very important role in the production of proteins and in the production of lipids. Yes or no? Yes. We know that proteins are the one that makes enzyme. What are enzymes? Enzymes are the catalyst or biocatalyst that helps in any reaction. Okay? For example, if I'm moving like this, if someone will push me, probably my speed will increase. So that could be the catalyst who was helping me to move ahead. Yes? So proteins are the one that will be making the enzymes, right? Very important. And these enzymes, of course, are the chemicals. Now, once the ER are making those proteins, the proteins and the lipids will get packed into these bag-like structures, right? And these bag-like structures will travel to the Golgi bodies. Inside the Golgi bodies, these will get modified, right? Will get modified and eventually they'll be coming out as the lysosomes and other different products. What we have in the lysosomes, we have the hydrolytic enzyme that plays a very important role in the digestion. Yes, Tilak, we don't have any class 10 today. Whatever we have it on the channel. Okay? Chaliye. All of you, are we clear? Quick thumbs up. Arey, we have some interesting question, everyone. I don't want to reveal the surprise, but we have. Bonus questions also. I should have told you earlier, right? I should have told you earlier कि हमारे पास में extra 5 questions भी हैं जो बहुत difficult हैं. Yeah, I missed that. I should have told in the beginning only. So everyone, those of you who have missed it, please come back and see. Chaliye, here we go everyone. Question 14. Identify the function of a part labeled P in the given image. Do take the image everyone. Do look at the image. We have P part. Can you see this? This is a cell wall. Oops. Sorry. I gave the answer. I was supposed to say it was a plant cell, but I gave the answer already. But yeah, still you have to find the options. So this is a plant cell, right? We know that plant cells have both the cell wall and the cell membrane. Cell wall is present outside, right? Whereas the inner membrane is the plasma membrane. Now we have to find out the function of cell wall. It forms a cell plate during the cell division? No. It controls all these activities of the cell? No, that is the role of nucleus. It houses the cell organelles? No. It provides protection and against the mechanical strength. Absolutely correct. So here we know that it's a cell wall of the plant cell. Cell wall is only present in the plant cells, right? It's not there in the animal cells. So take a screenshot, everyone. Abhimanyu, bache, so the formation of the plates, right, that we are saying, the new plates formation that will happen, right? The new plate formation. So during the cell division, right, we will see the horizontal formation. Those are the plates, cell plates, right? Cell wall does not have a role in that. Okay? Yes, Ayan, ma'am, animal cells have, no, bache, they don't have the cell wall, they just have the plasma membrane. Yes. Bhavya is asking, ma'am, what is secreted by lysosomes? Hydrolytic enzyme. Hydrolytic enzymes. Chaliye. Mohammed, pe nahi hai bache, we will tell you, there is a way, you will be able to find the papers also. Don't worry, we are there with you. Chaliye. Question number 15, everyone. Question 15. Yes, bache, Ramakrishnan will do that. Ramakrishnan Abhiraman will do that. Yes, capsule is also there, bache. Yes, Bani. It's there in the bacteria. Okay. Tanmay bache, the ANTHE examination is for 1 hour. Army Patel, I'm sorry, I can't teach you the ray diagram in this class. Saurav sir have already done it. You can go and watch his videos. Choose one of the following alternative statements given below which correctly explain the process of osmosis. Everyone, I am leaving you with this question. Read the question carefully. अच्छे से पढ़ो. Movement of water from concentrated to the dilute solution. Option B is the passage of the solute from a weak solution to strong solution through a selectively permeable membrane. Option C is passive transport of a solvent through a selectively permeable membrane from a region of low to high solute concentration. Or option number D, active transport of solvent through the selectively permeable membrane from a region of low to high concentration. See everyone, option number D is incorrect. Osmosis is not an active transport. So we have 3 options left. Let's try to read and identify it. There's only one correct statement, everyone. No 2 answers are correct. Yes, Prachi. Bache, osmosis is a passive transport, not the active. Active transport requires energy, the ATP molecules. But passive mein there is no requirement of the energy. Now, the movement of water happening from concentrated to dilute, let's understand this. Let's see. Okay. Osmosis is a process of movement of water or solvent from the area of lower concentration of solute. जहाँ पे हमारे पास में solute कम है, right? वहाँ से higher concentration of solute में जाएगा. Clear? Everyone, are we clear? For example, if I take this, see we have this diagram over here. So let's suppose the red color one over here is salt, right? And over here, this place has less water and this place has more water. So what will happen? The concentration, there's a difference, right? So what will happen in the osmosis? The water molecules will move from the low concentration of solute to the high concentration of solute. Clear है बच्चों? देखो ये बहुत important concept है. It's a very important concept. You will be using this concept in your higher classes also. Yes? Very good. Yes, Mr. Hyper. Solvent will be from higher to lower. Solute will be from lower to higher. Thank you. Thank you so much, Ashwin. Yes. Ma'am, it is from, ma'am, is not from higher to lower. Okay, let me just write it over here. What is solvent and what is solute? So, the water ka movement will be happening from the higher concentration to the lower concentration. Yes or no? Yes? Right? But if we talk in terms of the solute, if we talk in the terms of solute, solute like sugar or salt, wherever we have low concentration of solute, from there the water will move to the high concentration. Is it clear? Clear everyone? We are talking about water only. The question can come in twisted way. समझ में आया all of you? Everyone, are we clear? Yes, Shaurya. Very good, Shanu. Yes, Anil. Chaliye. See over here. Please do read the definition again. Osmosis is a process of movement of water from an area of low concentration of solute to an area of higher concentration of the solute through a semi-permeable membrane. But if we are saying in terms of water, we can say that the movement will happen from the high concentration of water to the low concentration of water. If you're saying water, that is also correct. This is also correct. Give me a thumbs up, jaldi se. अरे osmosis तो बहुत easy है. Yes. Shanu, welcome to the channel. Very good, Prachi. In plant cell, cell wall is composed of. Prachi, cell wall is composed of in plant cell is cellulose. Hello, Anil. चलिए. शानू रिस्पॉन्स तो कर दिया. अनिल को भी रिस्पॉन्स कर दिया, पर अब मुझे नहीं पता कैसा रिस्पॉन्स चाहिए. Yes. चलिए everyone. So, are we ready? Are we ready for some tough questions? Let's see. I'm sure all of you are ready for the tough questions, everyone. Now we have some very difficult questions. Sandy, all the best for your examination, बच्चे. Make sure you read the NCERT. Notes बनाए होंगे उनको अच्छे से पढ़ो. NCERT के जो back questions हैं उनको अच्छे से पढ़ के जाओ. That's it. Yes, Sandy, I will reply to you, बच्चे. चलिए. Let's see question number 16. Ready and excited? Yes, objective. Everything is objective. Okay. Which of the following statements is or are both can we can have two answers also, we can have one answer also. True regarding RNA and DNA. Okay. This is a little bit of high order question. Okay. We have to find out which of these statements that we have is true for the RNA and DNA. RNA is ribonucleic acid. DNA is deoxyribonucleic acid. Yes. Let's see the options. RNA is double-stranded while DNA is single-stranded. RNA has a base which is uracil in place of thymine in DNA. RNA contains the sugar deoxyribose while DNA contains the sugar ribose. DNA is hereditary material but it is absent. But if it is absent, RNA can function as a genetic material. Confused. I can see some correct answer. Very good. The correct answer over here is option number D. Let's understand. So, bachcho, here we have. Take a screenshot first. Take a screenshot. है ना? बहुत easy. See everyone, we have two correct statements. So, read the statements correctly. Very good. I can see many of you have identified the two statements. So, we know that RNA is ribonucleic acid. It's a single-stranded structure and it is present right in various organisms like virus. The virus have the genetic material which is made up of the RNA. Okay? Chali. It has ribose sugar. So which sugar the RNA has? Ribose. And the bases that we have, it has cytosine, guanine, adenine and uracil. These four will be coming together and form the structure. Yes, Prachi, you are correct. There are two statements. Are Prachi, why are you saying why not B? Why not B? We are still discussing. Right? Chaliye. Very good. Right? Then what we have? We have DNA. DNA is double-stranded structure, right? DNA has double-stranded structure. We do have some exception in viruses also. Okay? It is deoxyribonucleic acid. Which type of sugar is present? Deoxyribose sugar. And the nucleotide bases that this has is cytosine, guanine, adenine and thymine. So instead of uracil, in the DNA and us, what we have thymine. So according to the statements, two statements are absolutely correct. RNA has base uracil in place of thymine. Yes. And DNA is a hereditary material, but just in case in various organisms like viruses, if they don't have the DNA as a genetic material, what will happen? RNA can function as a genetic material. Everyone, are we clear? All of you, are we clear? The correct answer over here is B and D. Surya, lymph. So basically, lymph, we have our blood, right? And from the blood vessel, there's a leaking of the fluid. that leaking, right? It forms a fluid which does not have RNA, which does not have the platelets. It have the WBCs and the plasma. We call that fluid as the lymph. And in the body, they form the lymphatic nodes and lymphatic vessels through which it flows in our body, and they provide the immunity. They fight against various microorganisms. Okay? Usha, I've answered your question. Yes, very good. Okay. Everyone, very difficult question now. Chaliye, read this question and tell me the answer. We have 4 strips of fresh potato. So you know what I did? मैम को एक्सपेरिमेंट करना था. मैम ने क्या किया? मैम ने पोटैटो के 4 स्ट्रिप्स लिए. Okay, I'm really sorry, I cannot make them exactly the same, but I'll try. What ma'am is doing over here, बच्चों, मैम ने 4 पोटैटो, फ्रेश पोटैटोज लिए, उनके 4 इक्वल स्ट्रिप्स कट किए इस तरीके से. राइट, वी हैव P, we have Q, we have R, and we have S. So we have 4 strips, right? Clear? What I did, I dipped them into the solution, right? I have added these potato strips individually into a solution which have different concentration between the cell sap and the solution. What is cell sap? The sugar solution that is present inside. Okay? So now you have to tell me, right? Now you have to tell me, my students, that which of these strip is placed in the most dilute solution. You can see that the length of the potato strips are mentioned in the graph. See over here, increase in length. Which of the potato strip actually increased in the length? See, we can see we have Q and we have R. They have actually increased in terms of their length, right? There's an increase of 2 millimeter of Q strip right over here, and there's an increase of 3 mm in the case of R, right? We can see decrease in the length. Now these two, P and S, got decreased, so we can clearly reject these, right? Shrinking will happen in which solution? When? We will see the shrinking happening in which solution? The solution which has hypertonic, right? And where we will see the increase in the length? In the hypotonic solution, right? Endoosmosis, when water will move inside, we will see that the length of the strips will increase. When the water will move out, we will see that the strips length will decrease. Yes or no? Clear? Zeba, the dilute solution is something which has more of water. Clear? And less of any other solute. Zeba, answered your question. So, bachcho, we have to pick one. Which among these have placed in the most dilute solution? किसकी सबसे ज़्यादा height बढ़ी है? बताओ जल्दी से. Which of these potato strip have increased in the height? Easy peasy. Look at this. It's a difficult question, everyone. This is question number 17. Very good, very good. I can see. The correct answer is R. Very good, everyone. We can clearly see that the height of the potato strip R have increased maximum. It was kept in a dilute solution. Means that it has more water. Water kept on moving inside it. Yes? Clear? Yes. So everyone, here we have the explanation part of it. I have explained an easy way to you. You can take the screenshot of this also. You can take the screenshot of this also. Bachcho, see, P and R are rejected. P and S are rejected. Why? Because it is decreased. R and Q have increased in the size, whereas P and S have decreased in size. And in Q and R also, R has more depth, basically more height as compared to the Q1. Okay, so the correct answer is R. Now you tell me, how was this question? This is an Olympiad question. Tell me everyone, how you feel that this question is. आधे बच्चे क्लास छोड़ के चले गए. लगा कि मैम डिफिकल्ट क्वेश्चन आ गया है, हम तो नहीं कर पाएंगे. Right? Prachi, the function of the lysosome is to They act as a cleaning agent. Cleaning, right? They plays a very important role in cleaning out the waste that is there in the cell. And sometime when the cell is not functioning well, they'll release all the enzyme and the cell will die. That is the reason we call lysosomes as the suicidal bags of the cell. Medium, not hard. Okay. Chaliye, very good. Next question everyone. हाँ, वैसे logic बहुत simple था. I agree, logic was very easy. Okay. Question number 18 everyone. Which of the following represents chromosome number? Easy question. Which of the following represents chromosome number in cells P, Q and R? Acha. How many chromosomes we have in P? How many chromosomes we have in Q? And how many chromosomes we have in R? Acha, you tell me first of all, this is which division? This is which division? Is it mitosis or meiosis? Is it mitosis or is it meiosis? Meiosis, very good. So we know that in meiosis what will happen? The chromosome number will become half, right? So over here, this is the mother cell, right? So of course it has 46 number of chromosome. Let me just move here, right? It has 46 number of chromosome. Then we have this Q, still have 46 number of chromosome. Then everyone, this will come to 23, first meiotic division, right? And then later, again we have 23, right? So we have 4 formation. So again we have 23. So 46, 23. Option number B is the correct answer. Yeah, I know. Yes, I know people are saying, ma'am, it's not the mother cell, father cell. Bache, in the biology, right, we always call it as a mother cell and then the daughter cells. I'm sure you would have never seen a father cell and a son cell. We always call the daughter cell and the mother cell. Okay? Chaliye, very good. Very proud of you everyone, very proud of you. Elizabeth, we're discussing about the meiosis. In meiosis what happens? There's a 2 division that happens. So first division mein there's equal division. Right? Clear? So first what will happen at this particular stage, the chromosome number will become half. Okay? We have 23. And further the division will happen and then we have the gametes and these will also have 23 number of chromosome. So how we'll remember everyone? In mitosis, what happens? One cell give rise to 2 daughter cells. 46 hai to 46 hoga. Whereas in meiosis, right, what happens? We have one cell which is 46, right? It will eventually divide into 46 furthermore. But this cell will divide 2 times and will give us half the number. And this further will divide and give us a 4 daughter cells. Clear all of you? This is how meiosis and mitosis happens. Meiosis, this wala part happens only in germ cells or only in reproductive organs. They help in the formation of sperms and the egg. Sperms in the case of male reproductive system and egg in the case of female reproductive system. Whereas mitosis will occur everywhere in our body. Yes? For example, skin cell, internal cell, everywhere what will happen will have the mitosis. Clear? प्राची, DNA को कब जीन बोलते हैं? DNA के एक छोटे फ्रैगमेंट को they call it as a gene. Everyone, are we clear? Quick thumbs up. चलिए. Yes, Abhimanyu, meiosis 1 and meiosis 2. Haploid and diploid means, बच्चे mitosis में will have the diploid state. Clear? The number of chromosomes will remain same, diploid. Once the number of chromosomes becoming half, we call it as a haploid. Diploid, haploid. Okay. Question number 19. Okay, this is trickier question, everyone. Let me see if we all can crack this question together. Refer the given relationship of an animal tissue and select the option that satisfy the relation. See, everyone over here. बच्चे यहाँ पे देखो, squamous, stratified, blood. So basically they have similar relationship. Can you find something over here which have a similar relationship? It should be of epithelial, muscle type and of course the connective tissue. Did I give a major hint क्या? कुमार, सुमित, नेहा को पसंद करने से क्या होगा? क्लास को, बायो को पसंद करो. Right? Everyone stay focused. Yes. See, if you're coming to class, please stay focused. Okay, I gave you the hint also, बच्चों. I gave you the hint also. अरे मोनिश, मैंने कब अभी तो कोई ऑप्शन बोला ही नहीं है. मोनिश मुझसे पूछ रहे हैं, मैम, why not B? Why not D? Very good, everyone. Okay, I can see some correct answer and some incorrect answer. Okay, I'll explain you. See over here, which type of tissue we have, which type of tissue category does the squamous come under? Can I make it easy for you? In which type of tissues category we have squamous? Jaldi se. Is it epithelial? Is it connective? Is it muscular? Muscular, nervous? Very good, Abhimanyu. Very good. Squamous come under the epithelial. So first, of course, we are looking for the tissue. Striated. They have the lines, right? Right? Light in the dark band. So then we are looking for the blood. Blood is a connective tissue. So we have a similar relationship in B. Why? Because C, ciliated epithelial tissue. We have cuboidal. We have cilia right on top of them. We have ciliated columnar epithelium. So ciliated is again a type of the epithelial tissue. Yes. Then we have cardiac. Now again the cardiac muscles have the light in the dark band. Yes or no? Then we have lymph, which is also a connective tissue. Right? See, cartilage, do you think it's a connective tissue? Okay. But adipose does not have the striation, does not have light in the dark band. Okay. So option B is incorrect. Over here also they have given the adipose, and over here they have given the glandular, which is a part of the epithelium. So this is also incorrect. Tendons, cardiac, incorrect option. So what is the correct option, everyone? What is the correct option? Very good, Sachin. What is the correct option? Very good, Anand. Very good, Minor Aditya. Yes, Komal. Hello, Komal. Yes, Neha. Very good, Bani. Success. Yes, Elizabeth. Very good, Abhimanyu. Harpreet. Pavitra. Super Tosh. I'm sorry I missed your name. Yes, very good, Bhavna, Firoz, Shaurya, Anand Raj, Faisa, Kumar, Art and Craft Word, Maya, Akshaya, Tanmay, Amrudi, Nitin, Pranjal, Vedant. Very good, everyone. The next question is, the correct answer is option B. Last question, everyone. Last question. Chaliye. Here we have, see, kids, my bachcho, I'm very proud of you. Very proud of you, everyone. Within 1 hour, we have finished this and we just have one more question left. Last question, Neha. We have the last question, everyone. Refer to the Venn diagram and select the correct statement regarding them. So, you know, these type of questions, right, have relationship. Whenever we have the Venn diagram question, right, the two they have something in common. Prachi, bache, those type of questions we will be bringing it up. We mostly have such questions in the competitive exam. That is the reason we have it over here. Especially in ANTHE. Okay, chaliye. Mansing, only last question, bache, last question. So we are talking about X and talking about Y. So we have two. X, what we know about the X at 8 is it has elongated and spindle-shaped structure. This is very easy. We know that. Spindle-shaped structure are there in the smooth muscles. Okay. They're involuntary. Yeah, we agree. We know that smooth muscles are involuntary in nature. Y is that it has short and cylindrical cell. Yeah, we know that it has short and it has cylindrical cell. So it is involuntary. So we know that one is cardiac muscle and one is smooth muscle. Everyone, can I throw googly on you? But, you know what we have to do? We have to read these sentence and then we have to find out the option. It's a googly. Ta, 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 ta. You thought it's an easy question, but it is not that easy. Now you read the options, everyone, and tell me the correct answer. Option A is that X, which is this, is multinucleated and Y is uninucleated. B option is X has branched, where Y is unbranched. C is X undergoes low but prolonged contraction, whereas Y performs very vigorously and rhythmic contraction. Option D, both A and C. I can see some correct answers. Prachi will let you know, Bache will let you know. Every week for class 9th we'll have one class, and every week for class 10th we have one class. So this is for 9th class. Next class for class 9th will happen the next week. Very good everyone. See, X is multinucleated while Y is uninucleated. No, we know that in the cardiac muscles we have multiple nucleus, whereas in the smooth muscles we don't have multiple nucleus. That is incorrect. X is branched. No, we know that it's a spindle fiber, so they are not branched, they are attached, they are kind of stacked onto each other. Whereas the cardiac muscles are branched. Okay. Then both A and C are out of the option. The correct option over here is option number C, that X undergo low and prolonged contraction. So we have in our stomach, internal organs, we have smooth muscles. So they have prolonged contraction. Whereas Y works 24/7, that is the heart muscle. So here everyone, a very quick recap. Take a screenshot everyone. Jaldi se take a screenshot of this. We have the main features and we have the structure. The skeletal muscles, right? What do skeletal muscles have? The skeletal muscles have striation, basically dark and the light bands, tubular structure, multinucleated, and they are voluntary. They are usually present, right? And they are usually very active in the skeleton part. They are there. Then fiber, the smooth muscles, definitely. Non-striation, they don't have any bands. Spindle shape and uninucleated. One single nucleus is there. Involuntary, you and I cannot control. Elizabeth, voluntary means you and I can control. My hands, I can control this. But I cannot control the movement of my stomach. Involuntary. Yes, usually cover the walls of the internal organs. Cardiac muscle, there are bands present, fibers, branch structure. See, it's a branch structure. Uninucleated, involuntary, and covers the walls of the heart. Easy peasy. Shaurya Bache, option A is incorrect. Okay? Option A is incorrect. That is the reason we cannot choose option number D. Correct? Yes. Very good, Neha. Okay, everyone, are we clear? Dhanushka, involuntary means, bache, you and I cannot control. Involuntary action means it is happening by itself. In not our control. Prachi, striated muscles means that they have bands like this. See over here. Can you see this, bache? See, can you see these lines over here? Prachi and all of you others, can you see the lines? Yes or no? हमें lines दिख रहे हैं ना यहाँ पे? Probably I'll just make it for you. See over here, we can see the lines. These are the division. Basically, it means the stripes. Okay? These stripes are there only on the skeletal muscles and the cardiac muscle. They are absent in the smooth muscle. Very good. Chali everyone. Okay. With this, ta-da! We are done, everyone. I clearly said that we'll be done by 6:15. Yeah, we have 2 minutes, but yeah, we are done. So everyone, you tell me. I hope that you've enjoyed this class. अरे मैंने likes तो देखे ही नहीं थे. Hey, how many likes we have? We should have more likes, right? I forgot to give you the like target also. Ayo. Yeah, only few likes. But everyone, please make sure, if you have any doubt, please go back again, watch the question. We are here with you and we will make sure that, you are excelling these examinations. So everyone, what you have to do, please make sure you stay subscribed to the channel if you're new here. And please do register for the ANTHE examination also. Yes? We'll have for class 10th also. Jaldi se hoga bache, in this week only. Yeah, I didn't get the live target. Easily hum 100 touch kar lete. It's okay. Share with your friends, everyone, and tell them to hit the like button for the video. Okay, everyone. So with that, everyone, I'll end the class. Lots of love to each one of you. Thank you for being here with me. And I hope that all of you have understood the question, the level of the question. and I hope that all of your concepts are clear and refreshed. Loved it. Awesome. Lots of love, everyone. We'll be meeting really very soon. Till that time, do take care of yourself and keep on learning with BYJU'S. Bye-bye, everyone. Lots of love.